You're sitting there, at work, with friends. Suddenly, your heart races, your chest gets tight, you can't breathe right, and you think, I'm dying, I need to get out. But you can't leave. Everyone's around. So you sit there, trying to act normal, smiling, while inside you're drowning. This is a panic attack. It comes out of nowhere. You were fine 2 seconds ago, but people can't see it. They see you looking fine. They don't see your heart pounding, don't see you counting breaths, fighting every instinct to run. So you suffer in silence, wait for it to pass, pretend nothing happened, because how do you explain this to someone who's never felt it?